Good morning. I am the teacher of computer education and English speaking learning language. Today I am going to tell you how we start a computer. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see that we have a CPU, we have a monitor, and we have a keyboard, we have a mouse. All the parts that we really need to start a computer. All these parts are used to become a computer. If we assemble all these parts, it makes a computer. So now we see that we have a switchboard here and two switches are plugged in. But the computer is not going to start because the power cable, which is this, is not plugged in the CPU cabinet. So I'm going to plug in the cable, the power cable to the computer system. Now it's going to give the power to the CPU cabinet, but the output is not going to be displayed on the monitor because this is BGA cable and it allows a CPU to show the data on the monitor. So we are going to plug in as well to the CPU and it is plugged in. And some more necessary things like mouse should be plugged in like this, and the keyboard also should be plugged in. Now the R system is ready to be started. I'm gonna just switch on the buttons here. And I'm going to switch on the button over CPU cabinet and your computer will be started. Now we can see that the CPU cabinet is on, it has the electricity working inside of it. Now after some moments you can see the output is going to be seen on the output on the monitor screen.